Go.
Hi everybody, it's Cressa, the inventor of the shower toga. I'm gonna just show you how amazing it is to clean up after the beach or the lake or any outdoor activity. So here we go. This is called a simple shower. We sell it on our website and it stays in the sun and it'll get warm. Grab your towel, dry off. Use your side openings. Those are basically your best friends with the shower toga. Reach underneath. Dry off your body underneath. Grab your undergarments. Put them on through your feet first. Then reach into your side openings. Pull them up. Grab your sports bra, throw it on right on top of your shower toga, pull your shower toga down. Now you can just throw on like a little beach dress. You're clean, you're ready to go. If you're really, really filthy, this pocket in the front holds a little bar of soap. Pull it on. Remove your shower toga. Let me show you a really cool feature. Now you are clean and fresh and ready to go. Shower toga now turns into a bag, and this silver coating helps keep your car clean. So all you have to do is take your beach towel, your bathing suit, your beach shoes, your bag, and your beach blanket. Throw it in your shower toga. Tighten up the other end. And the shower toga turns into a bag for all your dirty, sandy clothes. Now you can just grab your simple shower, rinse your feet off, you are ready to rock and roll. You can take this and throw it in the washing machine when you get home. Take your clothes out first though. So as you can see, it's super easy to get cleaned up after the beach and any outdoor activity. Thanks for watching. Bye.